I can assure you, in next 2 months, you'll see the change in the capital market reforms and structure. There is going to be huge change. We are going to appoint professional people. No political appointment. I can assure you there is not going to be any political appointment. Financial sector কোনো political appointment হবে না. This is the decision, including Security and Exchange Commission. You will have good people working there, professional people will be working there, এবং যে সমস্ত ডিরেগুলেশন দরকার ক্যাপিটাল মার্কেটের জন্য উইল হ্যাভ টু ডু এভরিথিং। কারণ হচ্ছে আমাকে ফ্রন্টিয়ার মার্কেট থেকে ইমার্জিং মার্কেটে গ্রাজুয়েট করতে হবে। Then I'll have the access to $1 trillion fund available globally. Among that, we are going to do in next 2 months. Inshallah, you'll see that. Among capital market, I think already, I can see the capital market is showing signs of change already. There is a signs of change. আমরা দেখতেছি already without anything. Now, without anything, আমরা তো কিছুই দিই নাই, কিছুই করি নাই কিন্তু এখনো। যে মানুষের